So, my dear boys, it's your time now. I would like to listen from you. So, by choice, who would like to speak from there? By choice. What's your name? Second line, Aftab. I would like to know from you, Aftab. You know the topic today we have. Where do you live and how do you feel there? Exactly. Start with your introductions, right? Tell your opinion, your feeling about, and then you can in the last tell what do you want. It's okay, Aftab? Keep it close and speak with the sound. And if I speak with the mic, I would sound with the but echo is there always. Yes.
Good morning, everyone, and good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Now I am living in a lodge in Darbhanga because my home is far from here, 70 to 80 kilometer. So that's why I have to I have I am living here for studying.
For study.
For study.
Study is here as a noun. I live in the Ganga for my study. Study here is a noun. Okay.
So I am living here for my study.
Study, yeah.
From 4 to 6 year. I think from 6 year I am living here, and
I have been living here.
I have been living here for last 5 or 6 years.
Repeat the sentence.
I have been living here for last 5 or 6 years.
Yes. It's okay.
And
I'll leave it. Relax. Take time.
But
so, Mr. Aftab, how do you feel being here?
Actually,
how do you feel being here in a lodge without your parents?
If I say true, I don't feel good because I am living far from my home, so I am not feeling good here.
I don't feel good.
I don't feel good here.
Yes, okay.
Actually, if I say if I say true,
yes.
But what can I do? What can I do? I will have to live here.
Yes.
At any rate, at any cost.
At any cost. At any cost.
At any cost.
Okay.
So I am living here, and I want to complete my study as much as maybe early.
I want to complete my study as early as possible.
As early as possible.
Okay.
I want to complete my study.
Okay.
So, because I want to go back early. As early as go back at my home.
What is the problem do you face here? What are the problem do you face here?
Actually, I face here so many problems. I have to cook food by myself.
I have to cook food myself. Okay.
And I have to bath. I have to wash my clothes.
I have to take bath myself.
I have to wash my clothes.
I have to wash
my clothes myself. Yeah. All works I have to do by myself.
All the works I have to do myself.
I have to do.
Why not? I have to do myself. Repeat the sentence.
All works I have to do myself.
Yes.
That's
what
why.
What are the work do you do there? What are the works do you do there?
Where? You mean at my room?
Yes.
If I say true, I don't do any work at my home.
Home not.
At my room.
Yes.
In my lodge, I don't do any work except study.
How do you get food?
Yeah, actually, I joined mess. I have joined mess, but from mess I am unable to get quality food. So that yeah, so I don't like that food. But in majburi, what is a in under compulsion, under compulsion, I am born to eat that food. Yeah, I have no choice. Actually, I don't have much time for that, for cooking food. Other work also, other work I have also, but actually, I have to wash my clothes. That is main headache for me. Yeah, I wash my clothes myself. Then that is main headache for me. Do you want?
It takes time a little bit, but after after you said at your lodge, right where you live, you do some works only, like washing your dress. That you do one work only. Food you have already adjusted in a mess. You get ready-made food from there. The quality of the food is not good as you are talking, and I agree with that. I still remember my past when I was here as a student. When I had my examinations, for the last 3 months of the examinations, I had shifted, and the food of especially that mess, wherever the mess and whichever the mess is there, the condition is almost the same. Is not good. You are adjusting under compulsion. I would like to say you, why don't you cook? I had asked you a question. Then you said, sir, I don't have time. Because mostly the time which I have, I focus to read. I have a good suggestions for you. If you tell me, then I give you. The suggestion is, if you get a wife, suggestion can come, you reject it or accept it. If you marry and have a wife, she will take care of your food, the quality and tasty food you can eat. When wives cook food, I'm not talking your wife only. I said wives. When the wives cook food, they don't just cook like the normal, they put their love in the food also. And the food is so tasty. So the problem to get food and the problem to wash your dress can be solved if you marry. So what is your suggestion, Emma? What is your opinion on my suggestions? Wait.
As you say, if you get as you said, if you get married, if you married,
And don't say you.
if I married, uh, my all problem will be solved.
Yes.
Yeah, you are right, but I have one problem. I don't have any job. Till when I don't get a job, I cannot.
You said, sir, the opinion you have, suggestions you have given me, I agree with that, but I am not in a job, right? So to survive with the wife, like to provide her good life and whatever she needs is tough. At present, you are not in a job. Now you are not in a job. How are you eating? Wait, my question is, if you are not in a job and you are surviving eating food, I tell you the money how much you are spending giving mess and living in that, so you need not to take a room separate, and the mess money just make some more, and your parents can afford because you will have no problem and get more time to read. Actually, wait.
Actually, I don't take money from my home. I teach here some.
I don't take money from my parents.
Yeah, I don't take money from my parents.
Okay.
I teach here some students.
So increase the number of tuition.
But my study will be
Hamper.
hampered. Hampered.
HAMPER. Hamper का मतलब होता है नुकसान पहुंचना.
बाधित.
If I take one more tuition, if I take one more tuition, my study get
Hamper.
or my study will get a hamper. HAMPER. My study will get a hamper.
Hamper.
That's okay. So you are okay with that.
Yes, sir.
You said I want to complete my study as soon as possible and go back to my village.
Yes, sir.
My question is to you. You are here just to complete the degree and go back to your home?
No, sir.
Then,
Uh,
because after you complete your study, then also you cannot go back to your home. You have your life to the next city with the purpose of. Now you are here with the purpose of learning, and after that there will be the purpose of earning. Because you have no choice. You will have to earn money. You understand? So you said I want to go back as soon as possible.
I am not saying I don't. I will not live here. I can live anywhere, but there is a condition. I want, first of all, I want to take a job.
Okay.
Job means I want to take a government job, not private job. Because if I have to do some private job, I can do no.
Now also.
I can do now also.
Now I can do now also.
I can do now also.
Now.
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 Yes.
But I don't want to do a private job.
Okay.
I want to do government job. Especially, I want to become an inspector. So my
Titles for inspector. Perfect.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I want to become an inspector. So my study is going on towards that.
Okay. Towards that. Fine.
Yeah. So as early as that will be
Completing.
that will
to
be
be
complete.
an inspector.
So I may get a job.